Hello students, myself Manoj Pandey of Mathematics class 9 from LPM Public School, Bola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Now today we discuss the volume of cuboid and the volume of cube. Now cuboid is a solid three-dimensional figure which has 12 edges, 8 vertices and 6 faces. Then the cube has a solid figure of 3-dimensional and all the sides are equal. Then we find the volume of a cuboid as well as the volume of a cube. Now the cuboid has a length. The cuboid has length and breadth and height. Then we draw the figure of cuboid, that is the length, breadth and height. So that is the height and length and breadth. So the volume of cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height unit cube. And the volume of a cube, the cube has a solid figure, has 3-dimensional. Then all the sides of this figure are equal. Then the length, breadth and height of all are equal. Then we find the volume of a cube. A and A. So the volume of cube equal to A into A, that's equal to A cube unit cube. This is the formula of volume of cuboid and the volume of cube. Now the cuboid and the cube have all the 12 faces, 6 faces and 8 vertices and 12 edges. That figure have a 3-dimensional figure. So the 3-dimensional figure cannot be easily drawn on a 2-dimensional board. The board have a 2-dimensional, so we draw the figure on such type. For example, the classroom of the class is an example of cuboid, and the dice of Ludo is an also example of cube. Clear? Now the exercise are related to the volume of cuboid and volume of cube. The question number 1 of exercise 13.5. Exercise 13.5. Question number 1. A matchbox measured 4 cm into 2.5 cm into 1.5 cm. What will be the volume of a packet containing 12 such boxes. The length, breadth and height are given 4 centimeter, 2.5 centimeter and 1.5 centimeter. This is the length, breadth and height of a measuring matchbox. The volume of matchbox is equal to length, breadth and height. So 4 centimeter equal to 2.5 centimeter equal to 1.5 centimeter. 25 fours are 100, 10.0 centimeter square into 1.5 centimeter and 150 centimeter cube. That is 150 centimeter cube is the volume of a matchbox. So therefore volume of 12 such matchboxes equal to 12 into 15 centimeter cube, that equal to 180 centimeter cube is the total volume of 180 centimeter cube is the total volume of 12 such boxes. Clear? Now the question number 1 will be completed. Next question. Question number 2. A cuboidal water tank is 6 meter long, 5 meter wide and 4.5 meter deep. A cuboidal water tank, length 6 meter, breadth 5 meter and height 4.5 meter. How many liter of water can it hold? 1 meter cube equal to 1000 liter. This is the volume of, this is the length, breadth and the height of a cuboidal tank. This is the length, breadth and height of a cuboidal water tank, and it is given that 1 meter cube equal to 1000 liter. First we find the volume of a cuboidal tank. The volume of cuboidal tank is equal to length into breadth into height is equal to 6 meter, 5 meter and 4.5 meter. 4.5 meter. So 5 6 are 30 meter square into 4.5 meter 135 meter cube. 135 meter cube is the volume of a cuboidal tank. 135 meter cube is the volume of a cuboidal tank. Show the volume of water in liter. Volume of water in liter of a cuboidal tank. Of a cuboidal tank is equal to 135 into 1000 liter. That's equal to 135,000 liter is the total amount of water be contained in the cuboidal tank. So 135,000 liter of water contained in a cuboidal tank. Clear? Next question. Question number 3rd. A cuboidal vessel is 10 meter long and 8 meter wide. How high must it be made to hold 380 cubic meter of liquid? In this question, the length 10 meter and breadth 8 meter is given and the height is unknown. So the volume equal to 380 meter cube. Volume is 380 meter cube. Volume is 380 meter cube is already given. Now see again. In this question, the length of a cuboidal shape is 10 meter, breadth is 8 meter, and the height of water we hold is unknown, and the volume of cuboidal tank of water is given. So we find the height of water we spread. Volume of cuboidal vessel, volume of cuboidal vessel equal to L into V into H, and therefore 380 meter cube equal to 10 meter into 8 meter into H. So H is equal to 380 upon 10 into 8 meter. 38 upon 8 4 The height of water stream in a cuboidal vessel is 4.75 meter. 4.75 meter is the height of cuboidal vessel. Okay.